Kotekeshi. Kotekeshi is when somebody comes in. I switch this, you can see. When you're going to play tickle, do shoulder to shoulder, don't grab, just trap, bring this to your pocket. Okay? Do it again. Punch. Just bring it to your pocket. Okay? Ready, kid? Make sure. Nice and slow, nice and slow, nice and slow. Shoulder to shoulder, freeze. Good. Take, we'll step back, step in, and once you make your step back, bring your other foot, keep and bring this in at the same time, and push your body back. Because you want her to come this way. There you go.
Good.
So you literally just move another ½ inch. So there you go. And then let go.
No, sorry.
Keep moving back.
Keep moving.
There you
Good.
go.
Now,
Switch hands.
no, when you that was really good. When you do that motion that he was talking about, when you sit back as well, at the same time you want to pull my arm across to this hip, like you're putting on that seatbelt.
Right now, doesn't
Because
matter.
that's going to really pull me. Okay. Seatbelt. Good, girl. That was good.
Once you start rolling, don't stay stagnant. So once you are comfortably set, just keep moving. So just try to figure out how to keep moving. There you go.
Hands up, very comfortable. Okay.
Good.
Switch hands. Back to back.
Good. There you go. There you go. Comes in. Instead of being dedicated to whatever side, you're going to come in. Whenever you have the opportunity, as soon as you make contact, doesn't matter, you could have whatever hand is touching here, take your other hand. As you step in, find the face. Okay? Punch me. I got pretty small. Punch me. So, as soon as you cross in right here, leave this hand right in front of your chest, so I just step back. And really it's just that. Just enough to make a touch. Okay? So don't think reaching behind you. It's going to be right in front of you. Ha ha! Love it! Do that again. Try to keep your chin down.
Maybe click. Click.
Good. Back. There you go. Okay, so play seatbelt. When you do seatbelt here, wherever you click, let go. Okay. Do that again. So other side. So as soon as you play seatbelt, click.
Elbow.
Pop. Okay. So don't worry about crossing. Try that. Because every time you do it, because you're lined every single time. Put your elbow up. Click it, and then drive it. Love it. Find your
There you
thing.
go.
Good.
Nice. Nice.
Good. But no, that's what you did. You hunted. You hunted, you looked. You did awesome. You did awesome. No, look in the camera. Say that was awesome. Tell yourself that was awesome.
That was awesome.
Or the big bird. You got 2 more times, I'm putting both of them back in on you. Find something. There you go. Good. You got 2 people.